your GPS to Black-owned spirits.
It is day 29 of Veda.
3 days left, guys. 3 days left. Thank y'all so much for rocking with us for 29 straight days of us making cocktails using Black-owned spirit. Guys, it really means a lot to see people tapped in and tuned in and sharing this out and getting us suggestions and ideas and not knowing this and first time hearing about this and guys, like it really does us good. So we really appreciate that, guys. We've been making cocktails every day using Black-owned spirits, giving you Black options of your favorite cocktails. Today is no different. Me, tell me what we're making today, baby.
Today we are making a classic margarita. We're gonna make it on the rocks, and we're gonna make a frozen one.
The spirit we'll be using today will be from Tequila with Friends. Tequila with Friends are based out of Dallas, Georgia.
Texas.
Dallas, Texas. I'm sorry. No, it's Dallas, Georgia. Dallas, Texas. We met the founders, not the founder, the owners of this company. You see the picture right here. Very cool brother. They also are members of Omega Psi Phi fraternity. So shout out to all the Qs out there. And it's a great tasting tequila. They got Reposado and they got Blanco tequila. So we will be making, like she said, one traditional margarita, and the other one would be a frozen one using a Reposado. Again, this is our way of how to make margarita. You may make yours. You may make yours differently. Everyone margarita is different. It's gonna be the base. I'm gonna use agave honey. Some people just use margarita is pretty much 3 ingredients. It's tequila, lime, and some use triple sec. Some use agave, some use simple syrup. So again, we're gonna make it our way. You make yours your way. Tell us how you like your margarita. We'll tell you. You'll see now how we like ours, and we'll go from there, guys. So without further ado, let's get to this margarita. So you have it, a classic margarita and a frozen margarita. All right, guys, let's not wait. Let's go and sip this thing, me. My God, Margaritaville, baby.
Hell yeah.
We did that. Hey.
Hey.
Yes, we did that.
Hey.
Stop.
Don't
you
play
did that.
Don't
Hey.
play with us.
Cause you did that.
Woo. Yo, this is good. This is really good. How many of y'all like margaritas? Go and let us know in the chat. How many of y'all like margaritas? Try mine, baby. Let's switch. Whoa.
See?
Which one tastes better, baby? Mine or yours?
You know what's funny? Even though it was a reposado, how you say it? Reposado and a Blanco. They both still gave this tequila the same taste. Well, I don't know if it's fair for us to say that because
I'm not tequila expert.
I don't know.
I need Angelica to come try this.
No,
Angelica, hola, como estás, mami? I want you to try this and see how you like ours, because she's from Mexico. She can tell me if we made this right. So Angelica, try this. Sit that thing, baby.
About these cold drinks, they just
Take the thing to the head, baby. You sitting there, you didn't make that much anyway.
I sure did.
Woo. That was good, y'all.
It was.
All right, guys. But this is a really, really good.
It is.
So again, we use tequila with friends. Again, the black-owned tequila by 4 brothers out of Dallas, Texas, guys. Y'all make sure y'all check them out. We will be doing we will be dropping the video. I know they'll be like, man, we met them back in March or something.
Like, y'all playing.
But you see, y'all, we give y'all see this now though. And they signed our bottle.
Yeah.
So I was scared to even open this one, but no, we had to bust it open. So again, guys, that's it. I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. So you be notified whenever we drop new content, but don't just hit that bell, turn that thing on all.
Make that thing jiggle.
Follow us on Instagram, where we do post daily, and we also post on our story daily, which is Sippin with Mete and I. Baby, tell them the website.
It is shopmeteandi.com. Again, it is shopmeteandi.com.
So you can get your God First merch, and you can get your Sippin with Mete and I cups, guys. Please share this out, guys. Y'all support the channel by supporting we don't have membership, guys, so support the channel by supporting the store. No, we do have membership in the store, all that good stuff, guys. The Mete and I cruise. June 12th through the 16th, the reposado is starting to kick in. Tomorrow we'll be doing a rum runner. So y'all make sure, all my rum drinkers, again, this is another cruise drink, guys. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that, guys. We love y'all so much. May God continue to bless y'all, and y'all make sure y'all stay safe. Drink responsibly. And we'll see y'all tomorrow for day 30.
Baby, I'm talking